If your Outback's Android Auto keeps disconnecting, it's not a single random problem. It's a chain reaction. Yes, you can fix this. The issue comes from three things working together: the car's software, the USB cable, and your phone's battery settings. Your Subaru head unit is just very sensitive. It sees the smallest drop in power or data from the USB port as a complete failure, so it cuts the connection to protect itself. We just need to stabilize each part of that chain. Before you even think about the cable, the first step is updating the car's own software. That big 11.6-inch screen needs stable firmware to manage its USB ports correctly. An official update from Subaru specifically addresses this. You'll want to go into your car's settings menu. Look for System Information and check the firmware version. Make sure the version number ends in 580 or higher. This was part of a key update released around November 2023. If your number is lower, that's your starting point. This update tells the head unit to be less sensitive to tiny power fluctuations. Without it, any other fix you try will only be temporary. Once the car's software is right, we can look at the physical connection. That long, braided charging cable might look nice, but for data, it's often the weak link. For this system, a shorter cable is always better. You need one that is under 1 meter, or about 3 feet long. This isn't just a suggestion, it's a requirement to maintain signal strength. It also has to be USB-IF certified. That certification means it's been tested to handle high data rates without dropping information. A good, simple cable like an Anchor Powerline 2 works well. If you're using a wireless adapter, that blinking light you see is a classic sign of an unstable connection, what we call a VBUS drop. The port is losing stable power, and the adapter reboots. A short, certified cable keeps that 5-volt signal clean and steady. Now that the car and the cable are solid, we check the phone itself. Your phone is designed to save battery, and sometimes it's too aggressive. A feature called battery optimization, especially on Samsung or Pixel phones, can shut down the background processes that Android Auto needs to run. You have to manually tell it not to. Go into your phone's settings, find your list of apps, and tap on Android Auto. From there, go into its battery settings. You'll see an option that is likely set to Optimized. Change this to Unrestricted. This tells the phone to always give the app the power it needs. Do the same for Google Maps, as it works hand in hand with Android Auto. This one change prevents your phone from being the one to sever the connection. If you skip these steps or do them out of order, you'll find yourself in a loop, buying new cables every few months, and dealing with those frustrating random disconnects on the highway. It seems like the cable is failing, but it's really the system that's causing the cable to fail.